This is the story of how Destiny got out from under a trashed rental in Bluff City, Tennessee, behind on payments, a bad tenant, and a repair list she couldn't afford. She was behind, the house was destroyed, and she had no idea how to get out of it. Favor Home Solutions took over the mortgage, took the property as it was, and made it go away. Here's how it happened. Destiny owned a rental property in Bluff City, Tennessee that had become something she never anticipated, a source of compounding stress with no obvious exit. The tenant she'd placed in the home had stopped paying rent months earlier. By the time they were gone, the damage they left behind was significant. Holes in walls, broken fixtures, destroyed flooring, and the kind of general wreckage that told a story she didn't want to read. The property was not livable in its current state. But the problem wasn't just the damage. Destiny had fallen behind on the mortgage while the tenant was still there, carrying a property that wasn't generating any income while still being responsible for the loan. Now, with the tenant gone and the house in no condition to re-rent or sell on the open market, she was staring at a repair bill she couldn't afford and a mortgage she was already losing ground on. The longer it sat, the further behind she fell. Foreclosure wasn't a distant possibility, it was starting to feel close, and every option she could think of made things harder. Getting a contractor in to repair the damage would cost more than she had, with no guarantee she'd recoup it in a sale. Listing it, as is meant competing for buyers willing to take on a damaged home while the mortgage clock ticked. And re-renting, after what the last tenant had done, was simply off the table. So when Destiny reached out to Favor Home Solutions, she explained exactly what was happening. The damage, the arrears, the feeling of being stuck. They understood it immediately. Favor Home Solutions buys damaged rentals across Bluff City and all of Tennessee, and can structure a deal to take over the existing mortgage payments when that's the right solution. From there, the trap she'd been caught in opened up. First, rather than a standard cash offer, Favor Home Solutions structured the transaction to take over the mortgage payments, stopping her from falling any further behind and protecting her from the foreclosure timeline that was building. Then, the damaged property, in exactly the condition the tenant left it, became their problem to handle, not hers. And finally, she didn't need to clean, repair, or arrange anything before closing. Here's what Destiny walked away with. The mortgage stopped pulling her under, the payments taken over, the foreclosure timeline halted. The trashed property sold completely as is, holes, broken fixtures, destroyed flooring and all, with nothing for her to fix. And the whole weight lifted, no foreclosure on her record, no repair bill, no more carrying it alone. Look at the numbers. $0 spent on repairs she couldn't afford. Zero foreclosure on her record. Favor Home Solutions took over the mortgage, took the property as is, and handled everything after closing. And a situation she'd been carrying alone for months simply lifted. No contractor she couldn't pay, no buyer to chase while the mortgage clock ran, no re-renting after what the last tenant did, no foreclosure closing in. The three directions pulling her apart were resolved at once. The result. Destiny walked away from the property without a foreclosure on her record, without a repair bill, and without the weight of a situation she'd been carrying alone for months. The headache lifted and she could move forward. Maybe Destiny's situation sounds familiar. We help Tennessee homeowners in all kinds of circumstances. Behind on payments, a tenant-damaged rental, foreclosure closing in, repairs you can't afford, any condition, or simply needing out from under it. We can structure a deal that takes over the mortgage when that's what the situation calls for. If you're behind on payments with a damaged property in Bluff City or anywhere across Tennessee, Favor Home Solutions can help. As is, no repairs, no commissions, a real offer structured for your actual situation. Reach out today for your free, no-obligation cash offer.